Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm going to show you a stretch day that you can do at your desk while you're working. It's great for working at home. Might be able to get away with it in the office. What you want to do is you're going to take your chair. This is the chair that I use when I sit here at the office. I'm going to push it against the chair that we have in the reception area here. Now, for your desk, just push your chair close to the desk so it doesn't just roll around if your chair does have wheels. You're going to take your leg and put it in front of you like this. This is a stretch for your hamstring, which is going to loosen up the hip, the knee, can even help with the lower leg and the low back. You're just going to reach forward here and feel that stretch. If you want to use two hands, you can. Now notice I cannot touch my feet. That's just because I'm too tight. If I wanted to, I could bend my knee a little bit and then start to straighten my leg to try to get a targeted area and right behind the knee, feeling more in the upper calf. So go ahead and give that a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.